Migrating your website to FastComet is easier than you might think, and you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. First, before starting, make sure you have a full backup of your current websites, files, and database. This is important in case anything goes wrong. Next, log into your FastComet account and open your cPanel dashboard. FastComet offers a free site migration device, so your best option is to contact their support team and request a migration. They usually handle it quickly without downtime. If you want to do it yourself, use a file manager or an FTP client to upload your website's files to the public HTML folder in FastComet's cPanel. Then import your database using PHP MyAdmin. Just create a new database. Upload your SQL backup and update your website's configuration file with the new database details. Finally, update your domain's DNS settings to point to FastComet servers. DNS changes can take a few hours to propagate, so be patient. Once everything is set, check your website on the new host to make sure everything works perfectly. FastComet's friendly 24/7 support is also available if you need any help during the process. If you found this guide helpful and useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hosting tips.